That's one of the best ways to make money as a teen. Hey guys, my name is Precious. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 10 ways to make money as a teen, and if you stick around for the end, I will have a bonus way to make money as a teen. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and check out my other videos that I have on my channel. And if you like this video, hit the like button, or if you don't like the video, hit the dislike button. So, the first way to make money as a teen is this website called CarePoynt. I just found them recently, and they're almost like a you buy and you get cash back. It's more like if you if you sign up with the website using like a sign up code, which I'll link all the websites and the codes down in the description box if you guys want to join any, or if you just want to see what it's about. And so CarePoynt, if you sign up with anything like from someone, like if you're referred from someone, you get 500 points.
And not a lot of websites do that, like such high points. And with that 500 points you already signed up, you can already get 2 gift cards worth of those points. So I love it about that you don't even need to do anything before you can even get a prize to prove that they're legit. But
what I love is, like, if you refer a friend, you get 50 points, which is 550, and that you can get like a combination of one giant gift card, which I always like better. It correlates better with the gift card. Like, instead of 20 points for a $2 gift card, it's 30 points for a $5 gift card, if you get what I mean.
Side note, all of these that I'm saying today, make sure to refer all your friends and family. That's one of the best ways to make money. Your iPad, any other device in your house, you could use that to make money as a teen. The second way, why did I do that? The second way to make money as a teen is an app called Achievement. Achievement is more like long-term money, and it's PayPal. It's not like a gift card, because some people don't like gift card, but they'd rather PayPal. And I love PayPal because it's free. And so you get points for walking each day, and you just download it and leave the app, do what the app wants to do, and they'll notify you once you've reached the max amount of points you can get. And third way to make money as a teen is Poshmark. Really does work. If you haven't heard of it, Poshmark is an app for selling clothes. Don't think you can sell like electronics or anything like that, but it's just selling clothes that you have that you never wore, or you wore like once or twice and it's just sitting in your closet and you have no use for it. And I think that's a great closet clean out and an easy way to make money. Another thing with Poshmark, if you sign up with the code, right now you get $5.
and refer your parents, your brothers, your sisters. There are people who just go on Poshmark and that's their full-time job of just selling. Poshmark is a good way to like rack up money fast. Like,
the fourth thing is the Nelson Group. If you ever see a letter in the mail, answer it, do their survey. They're a survey group that helps companies and advertisers all over the US to help show which content is being watched, which is good. They want to know if people are watching a certain show. They contacted my family. They're like, oh, here's $1. If you answer our survey, we'll give you $20. And I forgot about it. And then they contacted us again. Here's another $1. If you answer the survey, we'll give you $30. And so if you ever see them in your mail, the Nelson Group, they're a legit company who give you like cash money for helping advise them in what shows are current and what shows are not. Like, I've earned like $60 in the mail for like a total of like 10 minutes of, yes, I watched the Grammys this year. And they also have an online thing. Instead of like selected people are selected in the mail, and then everyone can join online. Now, like, the app that I love, I started like earlier this year, is Google Rewards. I never knew Google had this, but it is so good. You download the app and you sign in with your Google account, your Gmail, and then they notify you every time. Like, make sure to turn on your locations. They notify you every time they have a survey. So
Just say that you drove past Walmart. 2 seconds later, or maybe like an hour or two later, you're gonna get a notification by Google Rewards. They're gonna say, did you go to Walmart recently? You could, if you went to Walmart, you say yes. If you didn't went, you say no, and then I'm pretty sure the survey would be over. But if you said yes, they'll be like, what day? Today. Did you buy anything? Yes, with a credit card. Okay, the end. 30 cents. So you get, like, it's that simple. It's like 4 questions max of just, where did you go?
but everyone uses Google, so might as well. And you can cash out every $2 into your PayPal.
Sorry if the lighting's off, because my phone ran out of storage and I have to like go at a different time. But
The sixth way to make money as a teen is through Fiverr, and they're a company that basically allows young entrepreneurs, basically any talent. It could be physical talents, like you hear Etsy, people design things, make things. It could be physical products, but it could also be online products too, like teaching people how to do stuff. You could tutoring, whatever like you want, like anything. Fiverr is like an anything business. And so basically everything, the minimum you sell your talent or your product is $5. It's the minimum you can get, and then you can increase. It allows you to do more stuff than a place like Etsy would. The seventh way is IBOTTA. It's basically like a rebate app where you go to a store, like
let's say Walmart or Costco or Sam's, and you buy something, and then it's a milkshake or something, and you go on the app and you see the milkshake is on the app, and then you scan it. They tell you to scan the product and scan your receipt, and you get the cents back for it, and you can actually see how much you're getting from it.
Another thing is you can also do Uber rides. I'm pretty sure Lyft, but I'm not sure. Airplane, basically if you're buying a hotel, I know they go through like maybe hotels.com or something like that, or Travelocity. They go through websites to give you cash back. So anytime you want to fly, go on a trip, stay in a hotel, use that app along with like all your groceries that you do. So
instead of having different apps for cash back for this app, cash back for my groceries, all that, it all combines into one app, and it's very convenient.
Way is NiceQuest, a very exclusive place to be. Like, they only accept certain people, and after you're in, you don't really refer people. It's not like a referral program, but I like them. Start off their points at like minimum of like 15 to all the way to like 5,000.
So like 5,000, you can get like a bike, not like a regular bike, but like not a scooter, like a motorcycle bike. You know, those ones that they have in like Europe that most people drive. And then you can win vehicles, utilities, iPhones, and then you can win simple stuff for your kids, like drawing books, ebooks, makeup. There's makeup on there, and there's like good brands that are on there, and it's only like 75 points to get it. There's also gift cards, $5 gift cards and up on the website, and so I think it's really good. And if you sign up and you pick to be allowed to use the website, it's actually like really nice. They're kind of paused.
Really high quality brands that you could get through NiceQuest. The ninth place to make money is through Opinion Outpost, and
I love Opinion Outpost. I started a long time ago, and they basically, even someone as little as like, I'm pretty sure 13 years old could sign up. I'm pretty sure the minimum is like maybe 12, I'm just guessing, but like you can get with parent consent, and they have surveys, and they have just little things for you to do, and they're the people who actually give you surveys, because there's a bunch of websites out there that if you guys want, I could do like a bunch of places that you shouldn't try making money from, because they tell you, people on YouTube say, oh yeah, you get so much surveys, but once you actually like sign up for the website, you never get surveys. There have been places that I signed up and then not a single survey came to me, so maybe it's just the people, but still, I still find that unfair. But Opinion Outpost, even my little cousin, when she signed up with it, like she got like a survey, a company asked her to survey like some TV shows, and they give her $10 for it, and it's very simple. It's nothing too like my 9-year-old cousin can figure it out. So if you're in high school, I'm pretty sure you can figure it out too. And also, it's also good that you refer other people in your family.
For like everyone you can.
Because lots of ways people make money is referring people. The more people that get to the app, the more the app wants to pay you. The 10th way to make money is doing other people's homework. So there are a bunch of, if you're in any honors or even AP classes in high school, and you have people who like, and you don't really, I'm not saying that you have no life, that you don't do anything, but like you're maybe off one day of doing stuff, and so one of your friends said,
And like the homework is, they have a website through your school that homework can be due online. So they said, oh, I can't finish it by the deadline of 10 o'clock if I start as soon as I get home. And then you said, oh, I can do it for like money or something. So it all started with like this girl asking me to finish, like she was going to a soccer tournament and I was free that day. She asked me to finish her homework and she only had like 5 problems left. And usually the homeworks, they're different for each person, but you can kind of like use your answers to fill out the other person's answers. And so she asked me to do hers, and that was $15 for doing 5 questions. And then so I started doing it for one of my friends. She would always like be procrastinating, and so we would always wait last minute to do it, both of us. But then she would have work the day was due, and she'd get off of work at 9 o'clock, and it's like 20 questions on the instruction, 25 questions on the real homework, and you have to do all of it to get like your full credit for your homework points. And so she wouldn't have time, so I'd start hers and mine like the day was due. I'd finish it, and she'd pay me like $30, but I'd use my answers that I plugged in I'd use my work and plug in her like numbers to get her answers. So it was actually super easy. I did it like, it doesn't really require a lot of like knowledge to do someone else's homework, and it's even better if they have like the exact word for word questions that you do, because that just makes it way easier. For math, we had online homework, and you could just, the answers are online, and it's just like some people, certain days that they're so busy, so talk to your friends, see what days they're busy, and even if they're your friends, like you're doing their homework, but you shouldn't do it for free because that's just them using you. And something like homework you shouldn't just do for free because that's taking time out of your day. So she paid one of my other friends to do her math homework for $10, and it was like 5 questions homework, and all the answers are online. So I wish she would have asked me, I was free that day, but that's a really like easy way to get money during the school time. Just like ask anyone, oh, I can help you do your homework.
the bonus way, the 11th way to get money as a teen is work for a parent.
My mom, she's like an owner of a hair salon, and so I work for her. So I go in one day that I'm free in the summer, or even sometimes on Saturdays in the school time, but not usually because she leaves early. And then I go there, I answer a couple phones, I sweep after she's done doing like haircuts, or if something spilled or something, I make her a smoothie, and then I get paid. Like, it's not gonna be $9 an hour because she's your parent, and you aren't like doing, like, you aren't legal enough to be doing the actual stuff for the business. So you're just getting like a helping fee, and it's actually like, for the little work that you do, that $20 to $50 a day is actually so helpful. And you can, I bring my laptop, I bring my phone, I go on social media all day. It's just like a basically free day and free food because it's your parents and they buy you food. So basically that's the 11 ways to make money as a teen and in high school. Thank you for watching. I have way more ways to make money as a teen if you want to see that, or if you want to see like the top maybe 10 or 15 places not to go to make money because they just scam you and you're just giving your account info out to these random people. It'll almost be like, it won't be like a rant because I don't like to spend too much time on hate, or anything really. I'll think of more stuff and I'll maybe put a poll up in the little I button on the side for you guys to vote on what you would like to see. I also do hair videos, and I'm packing myself towards pre-med, so that's just a little bit about myself. I'm not in college yet, in like 2 years, class of 2020, but thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. If you check out any of these websites and they work for you, they should. These are like my top 11. No, those aren't websites. Top 9 websites really, or apps. And if they work for you, come back to the video, comment in the description you liked it or how much you made with the website. And people make so much. I know someone who, even with referring for IBOTTA, I know someone who made like over $300. It's just amazing. Bye.
forgot. Make sure to subscribe and like this video if you like the content that I created, and turn on your post notifications if you want more videos like this. Bye!